Hello, welcome back to my channel with Lupita Aide. Thank you so much for stopping by. Here is another paycheck to paycheck video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am going to be doing my paycheck 1. Okay, so I already did it on scratch paper, took out some money from the bank. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the cash envelope stuffing, but I will definitely be going through my check. Okay, so any payments that need to be done are gonna be done today, whether it's the due date or not, as long as it's between the pay period days. They will be done today. So if that's something you would like to see, continue watching this video. I don't know if I'm gonna go with this one or this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one or this one. This one. Oh, I can't go with this one. This is paycheck 2. I'm doing paycheck 1. Ay, Lupita. Okay, so how are you guys? How was your week? Today is Monday. Okay, at the time of this recording. I hope you guys are doing well. You guys had an amazing weekend. If you didn't, just know that everything will be okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting with my income. Okay, so this pay period is gonna be from August 10 to August 24. So here in the corner, I'm just gonna write it down real quick. So August 10 to August 24th, and my paycheck, I'm gonna go based on all estimates. Okay, so check 1, 1,300, and then here I'm just gonna put other. Okay, and I think that's it. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, I do have a side hustle, which I sell stickers like the ones you guys see me using here. I sell cash envelopes, I sell t-shirts, tumblers, cups, keychains, and more. So if you guys are interested, check out my shop at lupitastickyshop.net. Okay, and you will be helping a single income, low income single mom with currently supporting 3 kids. My oldest moved out. Okay, I know a lot of you follow me for a while, you guys know this, but you know, new people here every now and then, so I like to mention it here and there. So let's get back to my numbers, you guys. As you guys know, I am in a new journey where I am in a new place, okay, with new amounts. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have I'm not gonna list this in any order. Okay, so we have HBO due on the 13th, and we have it for $15.99. Then we have Primerica, which again they raised another $2. So I started paying $53, now I am paying $60. They withdraw $60, you guys. I was estimating 58, but it's 60 and some cents. We're gonna leave it at 60. Okay, I don't know if it's normal that they keep raising it. I have no idea. Apple for $1.99. So this one was due on the 13th as well. This one is also on the 13th, and it is $1.99. And we have Spotify for 2 accounts. It's due on the 15th, and it is $12.99. By the way, tomorrow is my daughter's birthday, Brianne, and yesterday was my brother's birthday. So we didn't do much for my brother. He's not here with us, but I am gonna do some patties and hot dogs for Brianne tomorrow. She doesn't want anything on the weekend, so we're just gonna be my kids, my oldest as well, with her boyfriend and son, my siblings, and my friend here, a friend, 2 friends. So it's very, very small, just very close. Not that it's very close people, but you know, Brianne doesn't want anything big, so we're just gonna do a little patties and hot dogs, which is usually what we do for all of my kids. We don't do anything big anyway. And then we have Audible. Okay, I started reading some books. I'm just trying the app for 2 months and see how it goes. So far I've been reading in Spanish though, this book, El Club de las 5 de la Mañana. It's in English as well, the book. It's the 5 a.m. club, I believe it's called. Very good book. It has a lot of things that it's like, you know, things a lot of us should be doing if we want to succeed on goals, you know. So yeah, so I'm just gonna try it out. If I see that I am not, you know, consistent on that, then I'm gonna let it go. So okay, so light bill and gas bill, I don't have dates for these, but I'm gonna estimate around $100 on light, yes, because of the ACs, and then I'm gonna estimate around $80 on gas, just because it's a house, not an apartment. I don't pay the water, so the owner takes care of the water. Internet, okay, internet is $55. And the internet, I don't have a date for this one as well. It used to be on 24th, but since I moved, I haven't checked on the date. Again, when I get paid, I just pay everything. Not exactly when I get paid, but let's say I'm gonna pay the light bill, I just go ahead and pay everything, you know, at once. I sit down for 30 minutes and do all my payments. I haven't done it on this pay period, but I do have like automatic payments for HBO, Prime America, Apple, Spotify, Audible. But light bill, internet, gas, and a couple others, I have to do the payments. So I was on internet, and then we have car insurance, and we have our gasoline for my car, and then we have food, which, by the way, you guys, my daughter just called me. She has an app for the mail. I don't know why they sent me the white EBT cards for my kids, 2 of them. She just called me saying you have to go check out the other house. Yeah, there's 2 cards arriving there for the pandemic EBT card. And I changed the address. I called and changed the address like a month ago when I heard that they were gonna start sending them out, but I guess, I don't know. But this is for I already did some spending on food. So on the weekend, today is the 14th, so far this week I have spent like $200, but because I did some refills on certain things, and so on. So I haven't done the numbers for the food, but I'm gonna estimate 200 again. It doesn't mean it's gonna be the 200 because I'm gonna get the cards. I'm gonna pick up the cards today. So if it is the pandemic cards, I guess I'm good for the rest of the month. But if not, this number will definitely change. So yeah, thank God for those cards, right? Those of you that are getting it, and take advantage. The last previous 2 years that we were getting it, I've been taking care of them so well. We don't go crazy, we don't go and overspend. I'm not trying to say it's bad, but in a situation like mine, it's like, you know, I need to take care of what it's given to me. So I think that's it for this pay period. If there's any more, I will of course add it, so I'm gonna leave a gap there. I also pay my debt here in this check, so I will be using another page for that. Okay, so and let me just finish this. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do it on a separate video and just be my debt payment or something like that. Excuse me for the trash. They're picking up the trash, so I can hear. I don't know if you guys can, but okay, let's go to income. Okay, I am going based on my paycheck. Okay, I am not going based on my business, because I don't get a payment from my business in these days. I get them at the beginning of the month, so I use that money for the cell phone. That's why you guys don't see it here. Okay, because at the beginning of the month, a couple things were charged already and paid, like the cell phone, Canva, YouTube, music, and I don't know if it's one or two more things, but yeah, right now I'm literally, and as you guys can see, here is some of the stuff that was paid already. Okay, so the rent was paid. Again, is not in these days of my paycheck one, that's why it's not included. Apple for one of my girls, I do have 2 payments from Apple. Arco, I put gas. The van, we paid the registration. Here you go, YouTube Music, Canva, here you go, cell phone, St. Jude. So this was already done. I know I didn't do a video on it because I wanted to start in August, paycheck 1, paycheck 2, and so on. And so like you guys can see, paycheck 1 is from August 10th to August 24th, so those payments don't come out there. Okay, I will definitely scratch it off on my monthly, which is this. I'm gonna be, you know, putting how much was the actual, finishing the closing my monthly. Here is the other part. This time I did it separate, like the home expenses from my debt in YouTube Music and Canva and St. Jude and Slate and, you know, all that stuff. So I put together my debt with my business payments, YouTube, Canva, etc. I didn't do a video on this. I did it on my alone time. I wanted, you know, to check it out and see. But yes, definitely here we're just gonna be doing paycheck 1. With that said, because I know a lot of you is gonna ask me, well, what happened with rent, what happened with this, what happened, you know, so brief explanation here. Again, we're gonna go based on paycheck 1. So paycheck 1, 1,300 so far, unless once we hit August 24th, I sold something or somebody asked me for a cup or whatever, I'll add it here. Yeah, so I might be missing something here, I don't know, but for sure gasoline, food is there. Okay, so let's start adding. $15.99 plus 60 plus $1.99 plus $12.99 plus $14.99 plus 100 plus 80 plus 55 plus car insurance is about 90 bucks. So I don't know why I didn't put a number. Plus 90 and plus gasoline, I'm gonna estimate 100. I'm gonna estimate 90, just because I've been driving a little more since now we all live like separate, and I went to one of my sister's house. It was far, so yeah, it's like 25. It's not far, I'm exaggerating, but since I don't drive much, I consider it far because I didn't used to drive that much before. And it's not like if I'm gonna visiting them often, not because I don't want to, but you know, eventually we're all gonna start getting used to living separately. So now it's like my daughter is 25 minutes away from me, Jamie, which is my other sister, same distance, here, same in Long Beach, and my other sister that moved, she lived with my dad and her husband, they are around 25 minutes away, but another direction, Westminster. So it's like, you know, a lot of movement. I haven't updated you guys on that, but yes, we have all been separated after years and years and years of living together, and now we are finally gonna start different journeys, you know, being way more independent. And yeah, so it's amazing, it's sad at the same time, but I am proud of everyone, you know, even myself. You guys have seen how much I have stretched myself, you know, from paying $900 to paying $1,800 to now paying $2,800, and I couldn't be more proud of myself. So if you're a single parent out there, or if you're a single income out there, yes, you can. Don't tell yourself, I can't because I don't have this amount of money, I don't make that much. No, look for other ways, but yes, you can. Don't say you can't, because yes, you can. Okay, I'm gonna do my numbers real quick just one more time, and just to verify my number. All right, so we have 720. Again, this is without my debt. I do have to pay my debt in this pay period because next pay period is just for rent. Okay, so stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.